Hi, my name is Zach, and in this video, we will be talking about self awareness. As I said before, we will be exploring about self-awareness. What is it exactly and why is it so important and how can we practice self-awareness in our daily life? So these are the three things that we will be talking about today and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So let's jump to the first one, which is what is self-awareness? The self-awareness is the ability to have a better and deep understanding of who you are, what can you do, and everything that you are good at and what do you know. Basically, it's more like when you set the goals, it's easy for you to achieve that goals because you know what you can do. You know all the skills that are need to achieve that goal, and you know all the things that you are good at. So it's easy for you to take the decision like which one I'm going to do, which one I'm going to take. And if you know who you are and everything and all of that stuff, it's easy for you to do that. And that's exactly the reason why it is important. Because sometimes when you make a decision, it's hard for us to choose which one are going to choose because you don't know what we want, you don't know who you are, you don't know everything about yourself. So right now you have to think about yourself. What are the biggest fear? What are the skills that you have that no one has? What is your passion? What is your ambition? What are your goals? And what makes you happy in your life? And you really need it in leadership because being a leader, you need to know about yourself so that it's easy for you to communicate with your teammates. But for being a leader, self-awareness is not enough. You have to be it's like there is also what we call self-regulation and empathy. You have to prove that to people that you are empathic and then you can communicate with them. You understand their feeling, their emotions, you can talk to them whenever they want. So learning from like doing the self-awareness is like you learn also all the mistakes that you made in your life and then you try to avoid that mistake to not happen again so that if you are self-aware you will not do it again so that you will move forward. Like as a leader you really need that because you need to move forward so that you can reach everything that you want to achieve. With all being said, now I'm going to give you some tips that you can use so that you can practice to be more self-aware. So the only tool that I always use for practicing self-awareness is reflection. There are a lot of type of reflection. You can record the video and then you talk like this, or you can also record your voice and talk everything that you have been through and talk everything about your emotion, everything that we want, everything that you want to achieve, your goals and everything. My reflection is writing, and it's kind of like reflection what we call stream of consciousness. So this reflection is really helpful. Like for me, I'm used to taking videos like this, but I prefer writing because when I write, it's like I am not in this planet, but I'm in another planet. And as I said before, there are a lot of types of reflection that we can do. But the most important thing, whatever you do, recording videos, recording your voice, writing, or just like closing your eyes and then thinking, there are a lot. But the most important thing is that you do it because even though you know all of the types of reflection, and if you don't do it, it's nothing. But I'm telling you, if you do that kind of step, it's worth doing that because you will know more about yourself. Because when you reflect on yourself and all the journeys that you have been through, you can learn from a mistake that you have done, and then you can talk to people around you, and then you try to not do any mistake anymore. And even for doing the reflection, you can take like 2 minutes over day. Even if it's 2 minutes, it doesn't take a lot of times. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, it's fine. But the most important thing is that you do it. Peace.